The Keystone Courses. GeoWing Academy offers 3 Keystone courses designed to take you from novice to expert in unmanned aerial vehicle operations, photogrammetry, and graphics information system software. The Beginner's Course, an introduction to all things drones. Dive into the fascinating history of drones and explore the broad use cases of drone technology. Understand its development and the pivotal role it plays across various industries today. Getting started. Learn how to properly set up your drone and RGB camera, discover how to automate flight plans for data collection, and understand the nuances of data collection for different applications. Drone Photogrammetry Practical. Gain hands-on experience with a freely supplied dataset. Learn the basics of using Open Drone Map software to process aerial imagery into detailed maps and models. Get practical tips and tricks to enhance your skills. Graphics Information Systems Software Basics Practical. Use the processed data from the Photogrammetry Practical to learn the fundamentals of QGIS. This module covers the basics of graphics information systems software, providing essential tips and tricks for effective data analysis. The Intermediate Course, Enhanced QGIS Techniques. Building on the foundations of the Beginner's Course, delve deeper into QGIS functions. Learn how to use the raster calculators, create cloud health indices, and leverage the processing toolbox for more in-depth analysis. The Advanced Course. Master the art of automating the workflows learned in the Beginners and Intermediate courses. This course covers advanced automation techniques and provides valuable tips and tricks to streamline your process.